Right, hello, welcome back to another video. First off, sorry it's been such a while that we have no content has come out. We had some pretty rubbish weather in the old UK. As you can see today, it is raining and sunny at the same time, and it's May, so not really sure what the countryside wants to do today. But hey ho, we are here today with a Seat Leon Cupra 300. And we're going to show you around it, what's been done to it, sounds of it, the usual point of view stuff, and we'll ask the owner some questions about his experience owning the car. So first off, we're going to talk about the engine. I think that's probably the most important thing. As the name kind of states, Cupra 300 has got 300 brake horsepower as standard. If you hear any noise, the owner is currently having a look around my car. So what the owner has done to this, it has got the Ramair induction kit, which comes with a slightly bigger induction pipe. It's got a JB4 box for the tuning. He's got a front end strut bar and then a resonator delete, and also something to do with the flutter valve. Was it flutter valve delete?
No, no. Turbo muffler delete.
Turbo muffler delete. There we go. Wonderful. So currently he reckons it's running, because it's a JB4 box, it's kind of like race chip, you can't judge really how much it's actually running horsepower unless you get it on rolling road, but he reckons it's about 350 to 370 horsepower, which is a lot for front wheel drive. But thankfully he has actually recently put some new tyres on as of yesterday, some lovely, what were we running on? PS4S's. Delightful Michelin, obviously the best. We're not sponsored, but Michelin, if you want to sponsor me, then please do. Moving around to the side of the car, it's all fairly basic stuff. This was actually a demonstrator car though, so it's actually a very, very high spec one. I'll try not to trip over. Interior, pretty much standard. You got the nice bucket seats. The interiors on the Leon Cupras are really nice to say. It's a Leon. It's got Alcantara on the side, carbon fibre effect, stitched material there. But overall, it's very nice. Right, well move around to the back. Not really much has happened. He's tinted the rear lights.
Let's not talk about that.
Let's not talk about that. We're moving on from that. It's an interesting job. And yeah, it's pretty much standard from the back end. It looks quite aggressive with the tinted lights, as you've probably seen in a nice montage. I think next we'll start it up, show you how it sounds with the res delete, and then we'll put a GoPro inside and you can hear what it sounds like from the inside. We'll do some flyby shots as well. anyway, right, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't know how long it's turned out to be, but because of the weather we've had to cut it a little bit short, being raining and whatnot in Britain, and this is May now, so this is meant to be summer, and 2 months ago when we filmed the SQ5 it was much nicer weather, so who knows what's going to happen. It might snow next month. It snowed yesterday actually as well, so oh well. If you did like this video, hit that subscribe and like button down below. We are filming the RS6 soon. We're just currently sorting out the insurance with Audi. It's a little bit of a longer process, but it will be coming. Right, that is it. I'll see you in the next video.